Flights to and from South Korea's southern Jeju Island have been canceled due to strong winds. According to Jeju International Airport, as of 11 a.m. Korea time, 163 flights, 77 outbound and 86 inbound have been canceled. A total of 480 flights have been scheduled for today, and more could get canceled as the day goes on. The Korea Meteorological Administration has issued a wind advisory to the island, with areas near the airport experiencing wind speeds up to 27 meters per second, similar to that of a typhoon. Strong winds are expected to persist until the evening.